What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Neg Entropy Chronicles. Now, you saw the thumbnail, the title. This is by Dashcam Nations. So, go show them some love, and let's go ahead and get into the video, alright?
Standing across the choppy waters and undercurrents of the inner sea.
Ooh.
The desolate, barren island rising level shore. Sheer walls towered upward, unmarred by windows or doors. Iron spikes
Wow.
lined the ground, as much for intimidation.
So what it said is that the first car realized that that was the wrong exit. So instead of just getting off, he came to a dead stop and got back on the highway. Crazy.
Dysfunction.
Oh, come on, for real? And then you stop? Jeez. Oh, you're a special type of goofball, aren't you? Dang. Jeez.
Be off of it, like it's just
Oh, dang.
dude!
That truck just said forget
He
everything.
took a sharp turn. He should have took a wide turn, dude. No way.
Oh, so that's in Canada. Come on now, Special. Wait, what? Man. Why would you brake check a truck?
Really, dude? Okay, Garmin. Same video.
That dude has a death wish. Oh no!
What are you doing?
And then you still. What? Why are you stopping? In the middle, get over. Yeah. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh. Yep, that's always a bad one. That's why you gotta slow down when you get to the parts.
But it's fine.
Oh, just a whole other lane, huh? Just whole nother lane, huh? What? Yeah, you kind of gotta go sit that down for a minute. Doesn't use turn signal or check over their shoulder, then acted offended when I passed because I want that.
Everyone's like, all right, we're about to, the kids are gonna get some candy.
Wow.
Let's destroy our neighborhood. We used to do a fun trick when we pull stop signs out.
That's always the scariest. When you see them coming. How? Why? Wow, he really tried to dip off. That's crazy.
Every time I think I'm close to getting over you, I still got a long way
Who running it? Jeez Louise. Come on, man. Well, that's another video. Hope that you liked it. Be on the lookout for more of them. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you thought about it. All right, everybody? Peace.